Hi. So this is my product demo. So currently this is what our progress. We have reached over 3,100 apps deployed and 3 startups we are currently onboarded. So we have gotten great traction within a week of launch. And so let's get started. So what we do is basically we are a platform, a suite where any startup can come on board and manage, build, their software just by prompts. So currently, we have 7 products. So let's say if a startup wants to build a MVP or a website, they can use our prompt to app. If they want to debug their code base, they can upload their code base. It will be encrypted and we can debug them. Third is code contextualizer. Let's say you have a new employee and you want to teach the employee what the current code base is and what your company does. So based on that, it you upload your code base, it will give a video as well as a chatbot and a document which has the entire knowledge about what the code is, so that any developer he can within few days he can get on with the code and start working. Code modifier, you can modify the code just by prompts. A documentation generator, let's say you have a huge software and you want to generate a documentation in minutes. You just upload your code base and we will read it through and generate the proper documentation. Database analyzer, let's say a lot of companies have a huge data and they want to analyze the data and make certain pie charts or bar graph. So we do that just by uploading your Supabase or Postgre links and the ANN keys, or if you have a Excel sheet or CSV format, you just upload it, we'll analyze the data. Next is the idea to flow. So let's say you're blurry and you are not clear about the new feature you want to integrate to your app. You just upload your idea or a video. We will figure out and we will generate the flowchart for you. So let's say, for example, we go with prompt to app. Let's just do the quick login. Yeah. So we are logged in right now. So let's say if I ask it generate a simple login page. Okay. Let's select the plan. So for now, we are selecting the free plan. And once we have selected, let's click the generate. Yeah. So right now it takes roughly 2 minutes. So because of the time constraint of the video, I'll be skipping the part a bit and we'll directly jump on to the how website is built. So yeah, as you can see, after exactly 2 minutes and 47 seconds, we got a really nice login page. Now here are certain features which I would like to show you. Let's say if you hover onto this, you can generate the documentation, you can download the code, you can rename the project. If you want to say you're not happy with the background, you can just change it to red just by prompting here. Let's say make background red, make BG red. And let's say if you just enter, yeah, it will make, by the time it is making the background red, we'll see some other features. You can check out the code and you can download it as well. The best feature is, let's say you can publish it on Netlify and on Oneport domain. So let's say for now Oneport domain, when you click publish now, see within just in seconds your website is uploaded. So yeah, let's hover back to our own website. And here is where you can see all the pages. Let's say if you click on the dashboard, it will show you how the dashboard actually is. Just wait for a couple of seconds. And yeah, this is how the dashboard looks. I don't know. Yeah. So as we have said, make the background red. Just by prompting, it has made the background red without letting the users write a single line of code. Now, this is something which we are working on, which is the collaboration where 2 or 3 developers can come on and work on the same project. It is like Google Sites, a lot of people work on the same PPT. Through this button, you can upload it on GitHub, and this is one of the best features which we have. Just by clicking on it, you can track the metrics of your software, total page views 5, and yeah, this is all you can do: real-time analytics, view data, errors, etc. So let's get back to our initial product. Yeah. So now this is one of the product which we have on our platform, and I'll show you some other products as well. So let's go back, and let's get started again. So let's say here, let's choose the number 7, which is idea to flowchart. When we click on idea to flowchart, let's log in again. Login. Yeah. So we are logged in now. So as you can see right here, you can now, let's say you open editor, you just say create, let's say inventor, no, not say, voting age detector flowchart. So you just click on generate, just wait for some time, and by the time you can also click on hover onto some templates, shapes. You want to, so see, like we have asked it, enter age if it is greater than 18, eligible to vote or non-eligible to vote. So just by writing prompts, you can generate the entire flow chart for your startup. Now, let's say in templates, you want an e-commerce order flow. You just click on it. This is how a custom template flow chart looks for a uh, startup with e-commerce. And let's say if you're not happy with it, you want to iterate it. So just go to shapes, decision, add your own, and just like connect it with other, like let's say I connect it with, oh no, it's not connected. Just a minute. Yeah, yeah. So let's say I connect it with here. No, I don't know, for some reason it's not getting connected. I'll check that out for a minute. So yeah, and you can download, first save it. So let's say from here we saved, and once saved, you can download the SVJ and the JSON version. You can also write or upload some code files, and then you can the it will automatically detect what the code is, and based on that, it will give you the flowchart. So yeah, that's pretty much my website. We have currently 7 products, and we will also make 10 more, and we will launch it soon. So I'll talk you about the current traction which we have, which is, let's say, go back. Yeah, we have catered over 3,100 plus apps deployed, and we have also served 3 startups, which is the 3 startups in my incubation center currently. So I am basically catering to the startups of my college alumni. I'm a college student, but a lot of people confuse us with other startups like Lovable and Emergent. No, we are c- completely different from them. Those startups are mostly focused on to prompt to MVP or website builder. I am more focused into a platform where any startups can come and build and manage their software just by prompts. So yeah, this is all about, and this is what Oneport is: build and manage your startup software. Thank you.